Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade pasta. Start by gathering your essential ingredients for delicious homemade pasta. You'll need about 300 grams of all-purpose flour, 3 large eggs, and a small pinch of salt. This simple ratio ensures a perfect dough every time. Make sure your countertop is clean and spacious, as you'll be kneading the dough by hand. This initial step is crucial for a smooth and pliable pasta. Now, let's get our hands dirty. Form a mound with your flour on a clean surface and create a well in the center. Crack your eggs directly into this well, adding the salt. Slowly bring the flour into the eggs, mixing with a fork or your fingers until a shaggy dough comes together. Then, knead the dough vigorously for about 10 to 15 minutes until it feels smooth and elastic. This develops the gluten for perfect pasta. After all that kneading, your dough needs a well-deserved rest. Wrap it tightly in plastic wrap and let it sit at room temperature for at least 30 minutes. This resting period allows the gluten to relax, making the dough much easier to roll. Next, divide your dough into 4 equal portions. Using a pasta machine or a rolling pin, roll each piece very thinly, aiming for a thickness of about 1 millimeter. Consistency is key here. Almost there. Lightly flour your thinly rolled pasta sheets to prevent them from sticking together. Now, you can cut them into your favorite shapes, like classic fettuccine or wide tagliatelle. Fresh pasta cooks incredibly fast, so bring a large pot of salted water to a rolling boil. Drop your pasta in and cook for just 2 to 4 minutes, or until al dente. Serve immediately with your favorite sauce and enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.